Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorial Point. Today I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to sign up to Shien. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Firstly, on your Android device, open up the Shien app. Once you're on the home page of the Shien app, click on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After the Me page opens up on your screen, click on the Sign in/Register button on the top of your screen. Now click on the Register option on the top of your screen. Then you'll have to fill in your personal information such as your country or region, your email address, your password, which has to be a minimum of 8 characters, which must include at least one letter and one number. After you've correctly filled in your information, click on the Register button. After you click on the Register button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, your account in the Shien app will be opened. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the Shien app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching the video.